just gonna use the microwave because it's just so much faster. And then I usually use 3 minutes to begin with. Be careful because it's hot right out of the microwave, but it's pretty soft, so it's already cooked. Especially after it's frozen, the squash cooks much faster than it normally would if it were just fresh. So we're just gonna blanch it for a second to get rid of the blood in it so that the soup later on it comes out better presentation instead of having all these gunk. As soon as it changes color a little bit, you can just fish it up. Leave it, and then you can also rinse it under cold water to chill it a little bit to stop it from cooking. The wok is hot, the oil is hot. Now we can start putting in the chopped chili and the ginger. And you can smell it coming out. Then you can put in garlic. Still the same dry garlic that I always use. 1.5 big spoons full of the yellow habanero. This is really freaking spicy, but this is the best tasting paste I've ever had that my friend's dad makes. It's the best. But man, your butt is gonna get burned off. So that's why we put in some pumpkin. Now you can put in the stock after you can smell the fragrance after frying them. Now you can pour the filter soup back into the wok, and we're gonna combine everything together. And put in the mushroom just to heat it up a little bit. Now the mushrooms are all heated, we're gonna scoop them all up so that it will be easier and prettier presentation later on, because we want to present the beef on the top instead of just everything on top and look super messy. The bottom, you don't have to just use the mushroom. You can pretty much use anything that doesn't have strong of a taste of its own. For example, napa cabbage, lettuce even you can use. Now we're just gonna heat up the beef again and make sure it's thoroughly cooked. Now we're just gonna pour everything on top.